Most businesses don't fire their MSP when they should. They tolerate slow responses, recurring issues, and unclear billing. But over time, those small problems turn into bigger risks. If your IT provider isn't improving your operations, they may be holding your business back. That means lost productivity, higher costs, and increased risk. A managed service provider isn't just there to fix problems. They should keep systems running, protect your data, and prevent issues before they happen. If your team keeps dealing with downtime, slow systems, or repeated issues, something's wrong. That usually means your MSP is fixing symptoms, not root causes. If support tickets go unanswered or explanations are unclear, that's not just frustrating, it slows your entire operation. If your MSP isn't updating security or supporting compliance, your business is exposed. Ransomware, data leaks, and penalties aren't small risks. Here's the real question. Is your MSP preventing problems or just reacting after they happen? Many businesses hesitate to switch providers because they fear disruption, but most issues happen when transitions are rushed or unplanned. With the right approach, switching can be smooth. Review your contract, define your goals, and ensure proper knowledge transfer. The right MSP doesn't just fix problems. They reduce downtime, strengthen security, and align IT with your business goals. Upright Services helps businesses operate securely, efficiently, and with confidence through proactive IT management and transparent support. So think about this. Is your MSP helping your business grow or just keeping things from breaking? Thank you.